Welcome to CJ Aptitude channel. Topic is time and work. Let's see model number 2. A and B together can complete a job in 16 days. Both B and C working alone can finish the same job in 12 days. A and B commence work and work for 4 days, whereupon A leaves, B continues for 2 more days, and then he leaves too. C now starts working and finishes the job. Guys, this is a type like AB starting the work, A leaves, B continues, then B also leaves, C continues and finishes job. So the question is, please don't confuse with the second part of the question. Okay, now we are going to solve only how many days will C require. Solution, guys. First, split A and B work and B or C work. Remember, days and work are different always in time and work problem. A and B equal to 16 days. In the first line, you can see A and B together can complete a job in 16 days. So A and B 16 days. If days are given, 1 day's work can be easily calculated by just inversing the number of days. So 1 by 16 is 1 day's work. If 1 day's work is known for A and B together, 4 days they are worked, right? So 4 into 1 by 16, 1 by 4. Keep it in mind. Then second part is B or C. Here B continues after A and B together. After A leaves, B continues, not C. So B worked alone for 2 more days. Calculating B's 1 day's work, we can find 2 days work. 1 day's work is nothing. 12 days, B alone can complete the work in 12 days. So 1 by 12, just the inverse is 1 day's work. 2 days work will be 2 into 1 by 12, 1 by 6. Keep it in mind. 1 by 4, 1 by 6. Totally 4 days plus 2 days work equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Just taking the LCM as simple, 6 into 2, 12. So 4 also 12, 4 3s are 12. And 6 2s are 12. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 by 12 is the work. So we need to find the remaining work, which means after 6 days C is going to work. Okay, so that's the remaining part of the work. So 5 by 12 parts already completed. So taking minus from total work, we easily get the remaining work. So total work is 1 minus 5 by 12 will give you 7 by 12. Guys, 7 by 12 is the total work of C. That means the remaining work or C's total work is given. I mean, we found 7 by 12 as the total work of C. But we need the days, not the work. Okay, already as you can see in the first line, total work is 1 by 16, which is equal to 1 day's work. If total work is known, 1 day's work is known, number of days 16 can be calculated, right? Just 16 equal to total work 1 by 1 day's work, right? Easily we can get the 16 days as the answer. Similarly, here total work is 7 by 12 and 1 day's work of C is 1 by 12. So 7 by 12 divided by 1 by 12, we will get the answer 7 days. Got it? Thank you guys. Please support and subscribe.